You're not running an operation. Frankly, the operation is running you. I think the first question that fellow CEOs should be asking their maintenance operations leaders is, what would be the consequence of your most experienced technician retiring tomorrow? And what would you actually lose? And I think most leaders underestimate how much knowledge is locked up in people's heads rather than in the systems. And I think this is a risk question that is often masquerading as an HR question. And I think the second question that CEOs should be asking their maintenance operations leaders is, what percentage of our maintenance work is actually planned rather than reactive? And if the honest answer to that question is less than 70% of the work that is planned, then you're not running an operation. Frankly, the operation is running you. And the third question that fellow CEOs should be asking their maintenance operations leaders is probably going to be, what decisions are you making today that could be made with better data? Now, I don't mean have you got enough dashboards, because every company has got enough dashboards. I mean, what actual choices are you making about the deployment of capital, about downtime, and about risk that are largely being made on gut feel?